Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to a new weekly vlog. I'm hyped today. I'm hyped because woke up, got my daughter ready for school, drop her off, clocked in for work. It's giving a productive day. And I woke up on time. I woke up so early that I actually had a time to like do more than brush my teeth and wash my face. I literally had time to take a shower. The other thing is I didn't have time to I had time to do my skincare, but I dropped my daughter off ashy, but it's okay because I don't get out the car. But right now it's 9. I've been starting my day. It's 9:40-ish now. My cousin is calling me, so I'll be back. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. So just wanted to show y'all another day in my life. I have a lot of things going on today. I wanted to share that with y'all. Alright, so today is Saturday, September 9th. We have a few things on our list today. So we have to do our morning routine. That's our to-do list. We have to do our morning routine today. We have to feed our family breakfast. We have to feed the family. And I'm gonna go in my office, put my electric desk together. And then after that, gotta cook some dinner, gotta find something to make for dinner for the family today. I'm going out for dinner today with the girls, so we have to take a shower, get ready, do our makeup, do something with our hair, get dressed, and head out. So that's everything we have going on today. So let's get going. It's 9:11, so I'm gonna do my morning routine, but before that, quickly I'm gonna put some meat out for dinner and breakfast. Just put them in some hot water, let them thaw out, because I forgot to put them out last night. It's going to be Haitian breakfast this morning. So we have gizzards with boiled plantain. So I'm going to show you how the finished look once that's done. Alright, so I have the all-in-one master tonic I take a shot of. I have my water in there ready. And I also have my celery juice. And I'm going to make me some slim tummy tea. Y'all, don't pay attention to my facial expressions, okay? Hey y'all. I forgot to grab my camera to vlog, okay? I'm sorry. But y'all, look at my office now that I no longer have my L-shaped desk. I'm about to show y'all, hold on. Electric standing desk. Look at this. I actually have a holder for my headset. And I have a cup holder. I'm switching my monitors to portrait instead of landscape because it'll give me more space. The only thing is I will miss having space to put y'all down, but you guys, there's so much moving room now in my office because the L-shaped desk really did take a lot of space. Now it's like I have so much more moving space. So my MacBook is back on this desk behind me. So yeah, it's back to being there because I don't have the L and the desk number, but yeah, we'll be all right. The only thing is, y'all, let me show y'all this mess. This is a mess. So look, so I bought these things from Amazon, these acrylic holder stuff. I try to remove this. Look how the glue is so hard it broke my screen. Look at my screen. Now I'm only gonna have this side to work on literally until I get a new one. This one is just fine. I'm not gonna try to remove that. This just gonna stay there, but I gotta flip this screen. I only flipped this one, so let's do that. You go to display setting. So this is the other one. Trying to flip, and we're gonna do portrait flip. No, so it's the different one, just portrait. Here we go. And we're gonna keep changes, and yeah, just like that, we have them in portrait. So now I'm gonna like squish them together a little bit more, or maybe I should just, I want them to be like closer. I don't want this much gap between them, so I can have space and put my iPad on the side here in the morning with my pen and stuff like that. So let me put y'all on this desk behind me. When I'm working, I can't just put y'all behind me like that because I deal with personal patient information, but I don't have nothing on my screen right now, so we're good. We're good. This is a control pad. If I want it to go up, you can't hear the motor. And it raised the whole thing up. So yeah, so then I can push my chair back and I can stand and watch TV and do what I do. So yeah. When my back is hurting me from sitting, I can just stand. But you guys, it's 3:39 now, so I'm about to enjoy my breakfast. I did everything I said I was gonna do today. I did feed my family. My uncle and my mom showed up, so my uncle and my husband put my desk together, and yeah, I forgot what else we had, but the only thing I have to do is dinner tonight with the girls, which I'm just gonna chill right now, watch some TV, and I'll pick up the camera again when we're getting ready later. Hey y'all, showered, did my skincare, all that jazz. Now it's time for me to get ready. It's 6:25. I'm trying to leave here by 7:15, so I got about 45 minutes to do makeup, put my dress on and stuff like that. Our reservation is at 8 o'clock, but I'm picking up one or two of my friends on my way. I'm not sure who. Agitando com muito. All right, I think I got enough of what she was trying to teach, so I'm going back to my music and finish. This is what I got. I think I did my own thing, but it is what it is. Okay, so I did my hair, put some gold earrings on. I'm probably gonna have to keep refreshing this lipstick all night. I regret wearing it, but it's already on. But this is the look. I wanted a little fall vibe, and I got just that. Love it. Now let me try to catch a little selfie before we get in the car and go. Welcome back. Today's a new day. Today's the next day. Sorry, my boobs are all over the place. I'm wearing this one piece by Fabletics. It was probably part of a haul a while back, but yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Just got home from Sam's Club, got a whole lot of stuff, and yesterday I cleaned out my fridge with y'all, and I put away everything that I got from my Walmart haul, from my Walmart grocery run. So today is Sam's Club, and I'm about to declutter a little bit and reorganize a little bit my pantries. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So first, I'm just gonna show y'all what I purchased. Everything is kind of all over the place, so yeah. I tried this Chateau Michelle Chardonnay at Sam's Club, and I got a bottle. The bottle was only $7.98. It's pretty good, so we got a bottle. I usually love the Riesling of the same brand, so, and this Chardonnay is the first Chardonnay that actually have a sweet aftertaste, so we grab a bottle. My husband and I actually like it. We're trying to step away from Riesling and Moscato, so I got this fruit tray because I am going to a social gathering tomorrow, and I said I was gonna bring a fruit platter. So this is my fruit platter, y'all. It's just a little social gathering. We got Isabella's Danimal smoothie. Y'all know this is a must, so it's gonna go in the fridge. We got Isabella Lunchables. How many is that? Is that only 4? I didn't even pay attention. I just grabbed it. So it did come with Capri Sun. This is only 4. Like, this is literally only gonna last me like 4 days. Not even a full week. I should have got the 6-pack. I wasn't paying attention, but got some Lunchables for Isabella's lunchbox. Sam's Club was so packed, I was just grabbing stuff and going. We got Oreo cookies for Isabella's lunchbox. I had a Sam's Club order that I did with y'all. I think it was before the school year started. So this is a refill. The Lunchable I've been buying in between, of course. So my husband finally ran out of his oatmeal, so he has to grab that. Had to get a box of chips, and I think I got the wrong chips because the salt and vinegar. I didn't want that. I didn't want this, I didn't want that. But Bella loved this one, loved this one, loved this one. So yeah, we got box of chips for Isabella's lunchbox. I ran out of detergent. I usually buy that from Sam's Club because you get a lot for your money. I have my dark color clothes to wash, so we got a box of that. What else we got? Got some Pop-Tart for Isabella. Got French toast sticks for Isabella's breakfast. Got syrup because we are out. My husband's instant coffee that he uses because he's almost out. We got some Brussels sprouts, some baby broccolini. Got some honey. Got some romaine lettuce. Got my spicy chicken patties. That with the romaine lettuce make the best. Yes, you can have one. Make the best salad. So hold on. Hold on. We got some Pringles for Isabella's lunchbox. Got some apple juice for Isabella to drink at home. Got some cinnamon toast crunch for Isabella, and yeah, that was it from Sam's Club. Yeah, oh, I got toilet paper, I got toilet paper, 45 rolls. I still have kitchen paper towels from the last Sam's Club run from before school started. So after that, after Sam's, I did go to the meat market. So we went to the meat market afterwards. Got a couple bags of oxtail. It's 2 bags. That's what we're eating today. But to put that in the slow cooker, 2 hours and a half. Got some stuff to make my Haitian épis because I'm out. I have green onions, 2 packs of green onions. Last vlog video, I think I showed you how I make my Haitian épis. I got some butter peas because I put that in my oxtail. I usually get it in the can, but I seen this one in the bag, so they didn't have the one in the can. I got some parsley to put in my épis, of course. Got some red beans and black beans, and I got some peeled garlic for the épis. Got some Scotch bonnet pepper for the épis, and I got some regular mixed bell peppers for the épis as well. I hope I have enough Maggi cubes to put in my épis for seasoning, because yeah. So yeah, you guys, so right now my kitchen is a hot mess, but I need to clear out before I actually clean my oxtail and make my épis and season it. So I need to start putting stuff away first before I do anything else. Right now the lighting is really good, and I think you guys can see what I'm doing over there, but let me put my glasses back on because for some reason I'm blind today. You guys can see what I'm doing over there by the fridge. So I like the way you fixed it up and everything. Gracias. All right.